Well, a wildlife crisis is unfolding along South Africa's coast. The African penguin, which is the only penguin native to the continent, is in a desperate fight for survival. On the rocky shores of South Africa, once vibrant penguin colonies now face an empty sea. The distinctive tuxedoed seabirds that once numbered in the hundreds of thousands today remain only in few in numbers. In 2024, the African penguin was listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. And today they are thought to be less than 10,000 breeding pairs left in the wild. The study, which is a joint effort between South Africa's Department of Forestry, Fisheries and the Environment, as well as the UK University of Exeter, have found that more than 60,000 birds perished from malnourishment between 2004 and 2011 and Robben and Dasson. This is on the Robben and Dasson Islands. These are two of the most important breeding areas in South Africa. The study even reveals a grim truth. Over the last 30 years, African penguins have suffered an estimated 80% population collapse, driven largely by pollution, habitat destruction, and even food scarcity. Mass starvations that have now become one of the leading causes of death for the species. African penguins rely on small schooling fish such as sardines as well as a main food source, but climate change and intensive commercial fishing have sharply reduced fish stocks along the southern African coast. Sardines are becoming increasingly scarce. Many penguins are forced to travel much further offshore to find food. The shift is now taking a toll on both adult survival as well as the livelihoods of their chicks. Scientists even say that the abandonment is also an issue that's affecting the young. African penguin parents who normally take turns caring for their chicks on land, but with extreme weather, rising predation and even longer, more distant foraging trips, they are increasingly abandoning their eggs and chicks. In a warming world with competing demands on the sea's resources, scientists say that without bold steps now, the African penguin could potentially disappear from the wild in our lifetime itself.